Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So good Friday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're weekend ready and ready for action for next week with Expo Real. We have all of our magazines already down at the fair, getting set up with our just extensive distribution, and we'll be there the whole time. So if you have any events or any interviews you'd like to do, or just meet up, give us a call. Let us know that you're down there. We'll be happy to meet up. We've got our magazines also distributed on the Warsaw stand, the Romania stand, Kiev stand, and also of course throughout the Expo Real Fair. You've probably already seen the short list for the CRE Awards, which is coming out exactly 2 weeks after Expo Real is over. We have our CRE Awards 4th annual in Budapest, going very well. Definitely, if you haven't bought any tickets yet or corporate tables, now is the time to do it. Many new investors coming, developers, bankers, service providers for that event. And 1 week later is our CEE Investment Awards here in Warsaw, also very popular event every year. And again, filling up fast. I think, Winston, the short list has come out today, hasn't it?
Yeah, live today.
Yeah, it looks like it's live today. So really a lot of new companies on there, I noticed. A lot of new investors.
New investors,
yeah, a lot of new investors, and good to see. And in these times, it's nice to get new investors coming into the market, some new blood. So great to see them, and be an exciting event. Straight after that, so anything on the ticket side or sponsorship side, let us know. And again, if you're at Expo, we can always talk about it there. Also, kind of winding up the year, I guess, would be with our CEE Retail magazine, which our CEE Retail Guide, which is going out at MAPIC. End of November, beginning of December. We've got extensive distribution. We are the official international media partner there. So definitely let us know if you've got any opportunities for retailers, or if you're a retailer looking for some locations, Central Eastern Europe, Southeastern Europe, Balkans. We definitely have some contacts for you there. Anyway, we'll take a little break, show you a little advertisement, 20 seconds. We'll be right back with I think it's an advertisement for our CE Investment Awards or or CRE Awards. So interesting stuff. We'll be right back with Winston Norman, our editor-in-chief, and the highlights, the news on the EuropaProperty.com website. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. Welcome back to Coffee with Craig show. Winston, good to see you. Friday morning. I guess
it's Friday morning.
Yeah, it is Friday morning. I guess we won't see you for the weekend, but nice to see you before the weekend. And
no, I like to take the weekends off. Yeah.
Let's end the week with some exciting commercial real estate news.
Thanks, Craig. We'll start with a new report from Savills, and demand for logistics take-up in the European markets is 12% ahead of last year's record that was set in the markets. So. Wow. Logistics is doing very well throughout the region, and this is mainly due to an uptick in take-up in Germany, which has recorded almost 5 million square metres. Wow. The UK is almost 4 million square metres, and Poland comes in third with almost 4 million square metres. So huge interest in the Polish market. Mm-hmm. And Savills go on to say that in Poland, a demand for aerospace remains at a very high level, and this is fueled by high interest from logistics providers, couriers, e-commerce, and retail and production companies. And hand in hand with this, the investment volumes are also up. Investment volumes are also up. And and continue to confirm investor appetite for the sector and throughout Poland and the rest of the European region.
All right. Well, I remember when investors would say, "Oh, we'll never buy logistics." Now they're logistics experts and buying loads of logistics.
Yeah, it's become very popular. Staying in the logistics industry, and Zalando, together with Panattoni, they've topped out or held a roofing ceremony for their new fulfillment center in Bydgoszcz, and this will be a 140,000 square meter fulfillment center. And when it's completed and started operations in 2023, will be operated by a logistics partner. And according to the mayor of Bydgoszcz, Rafał Bruski, I'm pleased that Zalando appreciates the high investment potential of Bydgoszcz, which consists of a both convenient location and the availability of qualified employees and attractive investment areas. Yeah, so Bydgoszcz has proven to be a new location in Poland, and lots of new developers are building projects there, and Zalando is one of the leaders at the moment.
Yeah, a lot of high-end workers there as well, engineers and tech.
Moving to Serbia, and MPC Properties has made a decision to turn off the facade lighting of its buildings during the night to ensure maximum electricity savings in the last quarter of 2022. It's for the city of Belgrade and surroundings. They've got a portfolio of 12 office buildings and retail assets there, and this decision will last until the end of the fourth quarter 2022. And yeah, the main aim is to the reduction of electricity consumption, which today is probably a good idea.
It makes sense. I wonder if that'll become a a standard, because I think they're all the other buildings, the lights are on, right? They're trying to show how big they are and new and exciting, and
it'll definitely give a different look to cities at nighttime, won't it?
A darker look, I would imagine. well,
and finally for today, going to people on the move, and Magdalena Kowalczewska, she's joined CPI Polska. As the Chief Operations Officer. She was the Country Manager of Poland for IMA Finance. And now she'll be responsible for the management of the two portfolios of IMA Finance and CPI Property Group. And and according to Barbara Topolska, she's the Country Manager for CPI Property Group, she says that the impressive real estate portfolio managed by CPI Property Group in Poland requires experienced specialists at the operational level in the field of asset management and leasing. So yeah, I think Magdalena is a very good person for that role.
Yeah, she did great job at Emo Finance. I'm sure we'll be also doing a great job at the whole operation, the whole CPI properties now involved. Great. So that's all we have for the weekend, huh? Yeah, I guess going into the weekend, finished with the news. Great. So everyone, thank you for joining the Coffee with Craig show. We have over 500 now subscribers just to the show alone, and I think that gives at least 50% of our viewers for the week. So great to see that you're all logging on and joining the group on LinkedIn. And we will see you all have a safe and sane weekend, and we will see you all on Monday in the morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.